I'm out here at Mecum in Kissimmee, and there is a Yenko collection going up for auction. There are 6 1969 Yenko Camaros here, all different colors. Very rare collection. There's only 201 in the world, and there are 6 sitting right here in this room. Plus there is a 1969 Yenko Nova as well. So these Yenko race cars produced at Don Yenko's dealership. 6 of them here at Mecum. Come check it out, Mecum in Kissimmee. Let's start with the beautiful blue car. This is a 427, 425 horse, 4-speed manual in this one, with the Le Mans blue on the outside, black interior on the inside. It does have a 12-bolt rear end with 410 posi in it. It is a beautiful Yenko. Next up, we've got that one in Hugger Orange. The interesting thing about this one is that it is an automatic. There were only 30 produced with the automatic. This one's kind of a luxury car. It's also got power steering and power brakes with front discs. And after that, we've got the Yenko in Rally Green. Same engine, 427, 425. This one has a 4-speed manual in it. The interesting thing about this one is that it was featured on Power Block with Goldberg in January of 2007. Next up, we've got the one in Daytona Yellow. This one also 427, 425 with a 4-speed manual. And it's only one of 34 produced in this color of yellow, Daytona Yellow. It also got power brakes with front discs, front and rear spoilers, and this one was previously displayed at the National Corvette Museum. And this next one looks almost black in person, but it's actually Fathom Green, one of 34 produced in that color. It also has power steering, power brakes, front discs, and an interesting thing about this one is it has the pre-delivery service and adjustment checklist still with it. And this last is probably the most rare and valuable. This is the 1969 Yenko Camaro prototype pilot test car. It still has the L72 engine in it, BE rear axle, trim tag, and interior. This one is one of only 10 finished in this color, Olympic Gold. Drag racer Ed Hendrick piloted this car for an article in Superstock and Drag Illustrated in 1969, and it achieved a best quarter-mile time of 11.94 at 114. And last but not least, that Nova that's hanging out with all the Camaros. It's a 427, 450 horse, 4-speed, Fathom Green, beautiful Nova as well. So if you hadn't had a chance yet to check out this collection of Yenkos, you will probably never see them all together again like this. They're at Mecum right now in Kissimmee. Go check them out before they're gone.